Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all, guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is all about ideas signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very stunning crochet clock design and ideas for you guys. These are handmade crochet clocks for you guys. So viewers, I am glad to see you all, guys. And if you want different other videos on my channel, then you guys leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and very beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all, guys. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are best ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.